Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoyingasdidi. I said my house is a disaster. My house is a disaster. Let me show you what it's looking like. Hold on, let me turn on the light. I said my house is a disaster. My house is a disaster. My house is a disaster. Let's go in the kitchen. My house is a disaster. Girl, move your head. My house is a disaster. Look at this floor. My house is a disaster. Look at my couch. That house is a disaster. Look at those shoes. My house is a disaster. So let's get to it.
This is a weed beat. This is a weed beat. This is a Weezy. This is a Weezy.
All right, y'all, I'm done. Today has kicked my butt, okay? Like, today has really kicked me in the butt today. I'm tired. I'm tired. And I still gotta make something to eat. You feel me? Like, I'm tired. Can y'all see that? living room's done. Don't worry about them boxes. Them boxes is going to the garden. But I am tired, y'all. I am so tired. I don't know what it is, but I'm tired. It's like something pulling on me. But I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Like, if I get back in the bed, I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'm tired. And the thing is that I let my house go for way too long, and then just coming up with excuses. Oh, I don't have my materials, I don't have my dishwashing liquid, or I don't have mop pads, or whatever, you know. And sometimes you just gotta make it work through, or get up and go get the supplies that you need, you know what I'm saying? So, ooh, I mean, I'm aggravated, but I'm also happy. You know, I'm aggravated that I had to go through that. I don't want to go through that crap. And I don't want to wake up to a dirty house, and I don't want to go to bed to a dirty house. I don't want to be around, surrounding myself in a dirty house. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I really let my house go like that just so I can make a good video. But that was a lot of pressure on me, and I don't think I want to do that anymore. No, it's not for me. Plus, it's bad for my mental. My husband was getting frustrated. He even cleaned up a little bit. I didn't get that part, but he did it while I was sleeping. I got up and I saw some of the dishes were missing, and I had to load my dishwasher about 3 times. I ran it twice, and it was just reloaded after my my 3rd batch of dishes. So you guys, that was such a mission. Don't do that to yourself. Don't let your house go to the point where it's taking you 2 days to clean your house. Don't do that. Do yourself a favor. Keep up with your house, so that way, you know, you have a clear mental, and everybody in the house is feeling good, and you're feeling good, and you can get other things done instead of having to just concentrate on getting your house clean. So that was a process. Let's see how it looks next week, because basically it's like at the end of the week type mess, you know what I'm saying? Just an accumulation during the week of messes. So that was a process, and I'm disappointed in myself. That's what, although I did it to make a video, but still, it's kind of like I just feel ashamed that my house got like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want my house to be looking like that. I don't want to like allow the kids to just make a mess and not clean it up. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not good for anybody. Like, that is such like it doesn't teach you and your children accountability, and it's like you're disrespecting your surroundings and yourself by leaving your house like that. So I mean, when everybody gets their house clean, it's just such a great feeling. So why not just clean our house, you know, and keep our house clean? And I know sometimes it could be a little bit overwhelming, but once you come out of that mind phase, you got to get back at it, you know. But you guys, I'm gonna get up out of here because I still gotta cook even after all of this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, annoyingasdidi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby. That was so annoying, man. So annoying.